Very good evening. Now this is activity time. Today activity is indoor activity. Okay, the activity name is season wise puzzle. Okay, I will give one picture and another one is puzzle cards. Okay, you saw the picture and set the puzzle. Are you ready for this activity? Very nice, children. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Very good, Ranjit. Well done, good job. Very good. Very good. Very good. Good job. Team A claps. Team A claps. Now team B. Sit down, Gauri. Very good. Well done. Absolutely correct. Very nice. Done. Good job. Very nice. Team B also. Claps to team B. Team B also arranging very nicely. Good job. Okay, now team C. Very good. Very good. Done. Good job. Very good. Good job. Okay, very good. Team C also arranged nicely. Okay, team C also done good job. Claps to team C also. They are also arranging properly. Now team D, Sampath team. Very nice. Very good. Okay, Sampath team also arranging very good. Claps to team D also. Very nice, children.